Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this class number 55, we are going to learn how we can link NextAuth with GitHub. So how to configure this and how to activate this in our application with using NextAuth, that we are going to learn. So go to application. This is the application here. So here I need local environmental file also. So here I create github underscore id, that I need this equal to, I will pass the value here, and I need github underscore secret equal to, and that value I need to pass here, and go to this configuration file auth option. Here after the credentials, remember that this credentials we are passing here. So after the credentials I need to pass here GitHub also. So for that I need to import the same information. So I say import GitHub provider from NextAuth provider GitHub. Okay, so from this GitHub, because I have to link GitHub, so I am creating a GitHub provider here. So this GitHub provider I need to pass here. So I say that is GitHub provider as a function, and under this function I need to pass this object, and this object have two property. So I say client id, remember that would be process.env.github id. Second one is client secret, that is also process.env.github secret, remember. So these property I need to pass, and these properties are available here in environmental file, env file. These two things I need. So for getting this, remember that for getting this I need to go to GitHub. So I have GitHub login here. Go to this icon at the right corner, go to here in a setting, and in setting we have a developer setting. Go there, and here you need to go to here auth option, and in auth option try to click on register a new app, and here pass the application name. So I say NextAuth login, and here need to pass URL. So this is localhost and port number 3000. So remember that. So this we have to pass here because it is my website URL. This we have to pass. And if it is hosted on your static IP address, means on internet, then pass that URL or that domain name also. And here URL we have to pass this for dummy, because NextAuth we are using. So here API auth we have to pass, or you can pass here the static IP address or the domain name of your application if it is running on a static or internet live IP. So you can provide that IP also. Now click on register application. After that you see client ID is here. Copy this client ID, go there, and in environmental file paste it here as a client ID. Now we have to generate a secret ID. So click here generate secret code. Remember that for that it will ask authentication. So provide here password also. So now click here, you see we have a secret ID also, and copy this. Remember that this key only display one time, second time it would not display. So copy it and say keep it safe. Go to application, and here I need to paste this ID also. So these two informations I save this. So these informations are saved here, and I need to, you see, update this application, and done. So this information has been over complete. So again go developer setting, check in auth, you see your application is here, and now I go to my code also. So everything is okay. GitHub ID, GitHub secret is done, and we have set the information here also. So you see this is done. Now go to execution part here and click on logout, because we will log in with GitHub now. So you see GitHub is coming. Click here, and it will ask to, you see, try to sign in a different account. So we just refresh it once again. Click on sign in GitHub, sign in with different account. So we have to check it, and this is saying that client ID is required. Okay, the problem is there. I need to pass client ID like this. It was capital, so client ID, not capital one I need. That is the problem, I think. Once again I refresh it and I click here. Yeah, that was a problem. So problem was just here, it was a capital letter in D. That is a big problem, typing mistake. So click here, authorize, and you see it authorize. Once again, just try to log in your page, because once it's authorized, click on setup your page, continue. Now you have to open that again, localhost, remember that it is login. And I just, you see, we have information from this also. You see now session information is coming from where? It is coming from GitHub, remember that. So I just sign out here. Once again I try to log in, GitHub login, and you see automatically it will log in with the GitHub, because once it log in, next time it would not ask for authorization. Now this information is available and it's coming from the GitHub server. You see avatar information, expiry date, name of the user, everything is coming from the GitHub. Now session is maintained by the GitHub, remember that. So this is the linking of GitHub ID. Remember that here, typing mistake, client ID I is capital, D is small, S is capital, otherwise all are small. You ensure that case sensitivity is there, so we should maintain the case also here. So you see the GitHub is also linked here and it working perfectly and is showing the session information also. So in next video we will see how to link with Google also. So if you like this video, if you learn something new and something interesting, something easy from this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.